cleaner, custom look for your vehicle, all without breaking the bank, do we have the product for you. In just a few moments, you're about to watch us install our Precut taillight tint, but what you might not know is that Tech Designs also offers a wide variety of vehicle-specific pre-cut automotive film kits. So from headlight and taillight tints to PPF and chrome deletes, our kits are designed to be easy to install, give you that premium, higher trim look, and do it all without breaking the bank. So if you haven't already, click the link down below to go to bogartechdesigns.com, grab your pre-cut kit today, and let's get started with the installation video.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this Cadillac XT4 and we're going to do the taillight tint installation for this vehicle. So this is how the taillight looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below, but with that being said, let's start with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the entire taillight lens. So we're going to need slip solution, which contains baby shampoo mixed with distilled water. If you're able to remove all the contaminants with just the slip solution, you should be good. However, if you still have any remaining contaminants, let's say any wax, oils, grease, or some type of coating, you can use tack solution, which contains 70% isopropyl alcohol mixed with distilled water. And you're going to need a clean microfiber towel too in order to clean the entire taillight lens, and also just have the trunk open in order to access the inside of the taillight to make sure we deep clean this as well. So spray your slip solution onto the lens, and with your microfiber towel start removing all the contaminants and just clean around the surrounding area, just in case if the film does touch the paint or anywhere else in the body, it doesn't catch any contaminants. And then once we're done with the prep, we can start with the installation. Okay, so we're going to start with piece number 1 that covers this whole side section here. So piece number 1 only covers the flat surface. It doesn't cover this panel here on the side here that's like this small little section. So we're only covering the face here. So grab your slip solution, apply it onto the lens, and grab your piece number 1, which should be the thinnest piece on your kit, and just start placing the film down. Adjust it to the curve here. So it should be like this. We're just going to help it tack down section by section. So since this is the curviest part here, we'll start here first. So just once you have it aligned, lift it carefully and apply tack solution underneath and on top of the film. And we're going to help this entire section tack down first. So make sure it's on the light and not on the plastic trim here. So it should be like this. This piece is only to make sure when you close the trunk, this has coverage. So if you have anything missing around the edge here, that's fine, that's how it's supposed to be. So just apply tack solution, grab your squeegee, tack it down. Make sure it's aligned. And then work your way slowly, little by little, towards the top. So just take your time, help it tack down here. It is a little curvy around this section, so we need to just help it tack down a little bit better. So as long as most of it is tacked down here, we should be fine. If you're having trouble tacking it down, just apply a little bit of heat. That way we help the film start molding to the design of the curve here. And then we also help the adhesive activate faster. So just leave it like this. And then grab your heat device. You can use a heat gun or hair dryer and apply heat around this area here. Grab your heat device, use the lowest setting. And then you can use your fingers to just help it tack down. And then just hold it in position for a couple seconds. So it should start molding to the curve here, just like that. And now just spray tack solution to help it tack down. And now you would just start working your way towards the top here. So make sure if it does get dry, just apply a little bit of slip solution. That way you're able to continue the alignment. And you just need to stretch it just by a little bit to reach to the edge here. And that will also help remove any fingers that we may encounter on this section here. So remove all of the solution that's trapped underneath the film. And then secure it. And then to seal the edges here, we're just going to apply heat with tank solution. That way we help it wrap around this edge here. But before you do that, just make sure the top is correctly aligned. And now let's seal the edges, apply tank solution all around. And then when your heat device starts sealing, you can use a microfiber towel to help it wrap around like this and hold it in position. That way it stays tacked down with heat. Apply heat, grab your microfiber towel and just help it wrap around. That way we seal the edges. So just do this throughout the entire panel here, and then once we're done sealing, we'll move on to the next piece. Okay, so now we're moving on to piece number 2. With this one, apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. And we're just going to place the film right here. And this section here just covers this front area here. So adjust it on the edge here, and everything else should just fall into place like this. So once we have it aligned here, we're just going to start here, tack it down, and then work our way towards the top. Once you have it aligned, grab your tank solution, spray it underneath and on top of the film. Grab your squeegee and start removing the solution that's trapped underneath the film. Make sure not to leave any water bubbles, and then just work your way up. You will need to stretch the film just by a little bit here in order to help remove this finger here. So once we finish securing this area here, we'll go ahead and just lift it and stretch it so it could look like that. And tack it down, hold it, and work your way up. Okay, and now once we make sure we don't have any water bubbles underneath the film, we're going to grab our heat device and start sealing the edge just like how we did it here on the first piece. So we need to make sure we seal this side and this side. So take your time sealing everything, and once we're done, we'll move on to the last piece on this section of the tail light, which is this one here. Okay, so now for the piece that covers this side panel here, apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. Lay it onto the tail light lens here, and with this one we just want to make sure we align it using the curve here, and it will overlap with this film just by a little bit, so it should be aligned right here and it should fall into place like this. Okay, so now just grab your tack solution, spray it underneath and on top of the film. You can also start tagging it down with tack solution here as well. Just lift it carefully and reapply it. Grab your squeegee and start securing the film. Work your way towards the bottom. Remove all of the solution that's trapped underneath the film. And once we're done tacking it down, we're just going to seal the edge here. And then once we seal it, we'll move on to this section of the tail light. Okay, so now we're moving on to piece number 4, which just covers the face of the tail light here. So just apply a little bit of slip solution to the lens and to the adhesive side of the film. And just to tack it down faster, apply tank solution on the front section here. And all we need to do is just align it right on the edge right here. And everything else should just fall into place. Once we have it aligned, grab your tack solution, spray it onto the front, grab your squeegee, and start tightening it down slowly. Remove all of the solution that's trapped underneath the film. And then once we do that, seal the edge, and then we should be good to install the last piece that covers this section here. Okay, so for the last piece here, just apply slip solution to the lens and to the adhesive side of the film. And all we need to do is just help it align to the edge. So place it here and place this one down here. So use this section as your alignment here. So align it around the curve. So it should be right around there. This lift and adjust it. You will need to stretch it just a little bit to reach it up to the edge, and same goes for this section here. So just work section by section. So let's apply tack solution underneath here. Place it back down. Let's secure this curve first. Okay, and now we're just going to lightly stretch it until we reach to the edge. Since we did apply tack solution, it might be a little hard to stretch, so lift it and apply slip solution. So hold it in position for a couple seconds and then start tacking it down slowly. Okay, and now we will do the same for the bottom section here. Lift it, apply slip solution, and then we'll tack it down. Stretch it until you reach to the edge. It's on the edge there. Grab your tack solution. And that's pretty much it. You just need to be careful when tacking this down not to crease the film. Okay, and then you may encounter a small little finger here. To remove that finger or anywhere else that you may encounter, just apply tack solution, a little bit of heat, and then just help it tack down. So spread the heat evenly around that finger if you encounter it. And then you can wrap your microfiber towel on your squeegee and just help it tack down. You may need to hold your squeegee where that finger is located just for a couple seconds to help the film start molding to the design of the curve. And once we're done, just seal the edges and we should be good. And then once we're done with the entire installation for the Cadillac tint, the last thing to do would be to post heat. So the last thing to do once you finish with the entire installation for the Cadillac tint is to post heat everything. So you're going to need your tack solution and spray it onto the entire Cadillac lens. And you're going to need your heat device and your microfiber towel. Your heat gun will help the adhesive on the film microwave faster, and also if the film on the edges are lifting, the heat gun will help the edges stay tacked down as we're using our microfiber towel to help seal those edges and also remove any solution that's trapped around the edges. So take your time applying heat using the lowest setting, and then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the tail light tints for the Cadillac XT4. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. And also, don't forget to check out our other pre-cut kits for the XT4. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.